Today I'll show you how to make Sogogi-jeon. Sounds complicated, but it's not. Sogogi just means beef, and jeon is just essentially a way of cooking it where it's fried in egg batter. So it's sort of like a mini pancake made out of beef. It's very easy and a great simple Korean dish to impress anyone you're cooking for. Try the recipe and see how you go. If you're interested in learning more about Korean culture or Korean cooking, check out my channel. I post a new Korean dish every week, which means I basically cook it for you and you can watch me cook it. On the way, learn a little bit more about Korean culture and Korean cooking. Enjoy the recipe. Sogogi-jeon in Korea is often served as a side dish, though I will admit, usually only at the best restaurants. If you're going to a very nice Korean restaurant and you get Sogogi-jeon, then you know you're probably going to come back. It's a good sign. Side dish culture is so important here in Korea. When you go to any restaurant around, you'll find that you get your main dish, but there's also in the middle a variety of different side dishes. And you'll choose your favorite meals or your favorite restaurants depending often on what their side dishes are like. If they've got excellent side dishes that are often refillable for free, wow, you're probably going to go back. Get those hands in there, mix it up. This is the fun part, right? It doesn't really matter what kind of beef you use as long as it is thin. Once again, if you have better quality beef, it's going to taste nicer. It's going to be more tender. If you've got worse quality beef, well, it's going to be a bit more chewy. But hey, that's how it is with any beef and any meal you're cooking, right? We take this delicious piece of meat, make sure it's rolled out so that it's evenly coated, and just put it in the flour. It's pretty simple. You can do a couple at a time, often the easiest way. Shake off any excess flour, place it down. Three eggs for our mix.